Welcome to Tactical Expedition, and today UPS just delivered new tires that I ordered from 4Wheel Parts. They had a great sale during Black Friday, so I just ordered the same size as the stock tires, 265/70R17, and this is the black side wall. So I ordered 5, and hopefully it all fits there, but it's like a perfect fit. And then I ordered extra TRD rim that matches my TRD Pro rim, so when I get the tire carrier in the back, that video is coming soon, but so I'm gonna go install this and show you the difference between the BFGoodrich KO2s versus stock Nitto. So let's see. I'm just gonna roll one. Okay, the difference is that. Okay. The original Nitto tires that looked very tame compared to the KO2s. And look at it. The KO2s look really aggressive compared to the Nitto, the stock one. I'm sure there's the more aggressive Nitto, what is that? Like the trail grapplers or something like that. But I just went with what everybody gets and looks the best. So, but I got the black sidewall. Yeah, I didn't want the white lettering on the side. So I want to just keep it look stock, a little bit more upgraded. So I loaded 4 tires in the back trunk area. It's kind of funny how it fits perfectly. I don't know. That's very nice. You know, I was worried that it might not fit, but it fits perfectly. And that's the extra one for my tire carrier in the back. That video is coming soon. Anyways, time to go upgrade. Okay guys, this is before the install of KO2. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure it with the tape measure to see from the ground to the tire and then to the wheel well front and the rear. And then also what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure the highest point, which is my awning. That's an equipped one, from the top to the bottom, and then to see once I install the KO2s to see if there's any difference. Okay, so let's go. So from the bottom to the tire, it's 30 inches, and to the top right here, it's about 34 7/8, a little below 35. The rear, the tire is also 30, and to the top of the wheel well is 35.5. The highest point in my car, which is an awning, to the ground is about 76. So after the install, I will measure it again to see if there's any difference on height. Hello, so I just came back from the shop and KO2s are now installed. This is made by Michelin basically, so it's like the top of the line tire if you haven't experienced it, and this is like the most famous off-roading tires that I believe. But you know, there's several other brands, but I went through this because they had a good sale during Black Friday. So again, I'm gonna measure it now. I want to show you the difference again. So from the ground, it's about 30.5, and it is 35 1/4. Okay, so that's the front. Okay, the rear tire is basically, it's 31, and it's a 36.5. 36.5. of my car is the equipped awning. And oh, oh shit. Oh fuck. Okay. Okay, the highest one. That is 77. Basically, I finished installing KO2s, BFGoodrich. The size is same as the original, 265 70 R17, because I didn't want any rubbing issues, or I just like that look. And basically my problem went away. On a 60 miles per hour, steering wheel was shaking before, now it's not shaking. This tire looks way more aggressive than my stock tires, the Nitto Terra Grapplers. And this is the 265 70 R17 version with a black lettering. There's no, I didn't like the white lettering because I don't like too much showing off. But that's the look. That's just way more aggressive look than the stock. And the ride quality is so smooth. And driving in rain, because right now in California it's raining. It's been raining for about a week, on and off. Beautiful weather. And basically, like with the Nitto grapplers, I don't know, because it was worn out, maybe because I drove about 30,000 miles, but it was slippery a little bit. But this one, maybe because it's new, but it doesn't slip. It doesn't make any noise. I mean, this tire is much better, in my opinion. So this is the side where I didn't tire coat it. So I'll show you. It's in a it's too dark, but that's when you don't coat it. It still looks rough. You know, I only had you know, for 2 tires. I have to go buy more, but I just wanted to show you the difference. So and this is the tread pattern is more aggressive, but I don't know why TRD rims are thin. You know, it's pretty thin. I'm not a everyday off-roader, so you know, considering this is pretty good for, you know, I go off-roading maybe once a month, you know, once every 2 weeks if I feel like going. But you know, this is just my daily driver. You know, I thought about buying a Porsche or something, but and keep this, but for now it's really comfortable, you know. And rare look of my inside, I keep you know, rescue tools and all this stay here. I put rubber gloves, fire extinguisher, TRD logo, and paper towels for car and me, and you know, eco bags, and my shooting belt. Oh, these things, you know, I posted the video a long time ago, but I mean, this is like the must get because it's super tight in here. So I suggest, you know, install those so you can secure the you know, I have it on here too, the other side. So I usually have a cooler right here. And that's the distance between, and they raised about an inch. Now obviously there's no rubbing because it's a stock size. I know some people might say I'm stupid for buying this, but you know, I just like going what the dealer decided to put out, because they have a R&D. I'm sure they spend millions of dollars try to find the best balance between the off-roading and the gas mileage. So who am I to challenge them, right? Toyota, it's a reputable brand. You guys all like Toyota, right? So that's that. So thank you for viewing my video. Next video I'll do is I recently got delivery of Gobi rack, so that's gonna be little so I'm gonna be installing here, and I have more surprises. I can't wait to install those. But I'll make a video of all of them so you guys can see and get the information from me. Maybe that guy who's gonna make the custom whatever I'm gonna show you, he'll be busy. Like, it's a startup company, but I know after this video goes out, he's gonna be busy. I let him know too, but I paid the entire fee, and anyways, those videos are coming up, so just stay tuned, subscribe, like my videos, and hopefully I get to make more in the future. All right, thank you very much. Bye bye.